Okay, so for your practice problems, we're going to continue to use the area equals base times height right there. Let me get this in black. There you go. Area equals base times height, and then we're going to substitute the information from the picture that we know. So if we look at number 4, area equals base times height. The base is 20 and the height is 21 5/10. So the area is 20 times 21 5/10. When I plug that in my calculator, I get that the area is 430 inches squared. And that is the entire area of that parallelogram. Number 5, area equals base times height. Area equals 16 times 12 5/10. I plug that into my calculator and I get area equals 200 centimeters squared. And that's the area for number 5. Number 6, area equals base times height. Area equals 12 times 10. So area equals 120 meters squared. Number 7, a rhombus has an area of 440 and a base of 22. What is its height? So this is one where when we write our formula, area equals base times height, 440 is going to go in for the area, and the base is 22. And we have to figure out 22 times what is 440. Draw my line, divide each side by 22. And then when I solve this and I do 440 divided by 22, you get the number 20. So the height of that rhombus is 20. Number 8, area equals base times height. The base is 2, so I'm going to do 2 times 6, and the area is 12. Number 9, area equals base times height, so it'd be 6 is the base, 4 is the height. Remember, highest point straight down, that's 4. 6 times 4, which is 24. Number 10, area equals base times height. Area equals the base is 10.5, which you guys should know is 10.5 times 10. Remember that the half, if you don't know what that decimal is, you just do 1 divided by 2, and you'd get 0.5. When I multiply that out, I get 105 inches squared. I told you to skip number 11 because 2 1/3, that 1/3, if I do 1 divided by 3 in my calculator to go from a fraction to a decimal, it's 0.3 repeating. So we're not going to deal with that one. Number 12, area equals base times height again. As I can see, I know my base but not my height, and the area on the inside is 132 inches squared. So it's 132 equals 11 times the height. I draw my line, and I apologize, I'm going over the writing. When I do 132 and I divide it by 11, I get 12. So the height here is 12. And number 13, area equals base times height. I can tell by my picture that I'm solving for base because that's still a variable. The area is 52. So I get 52 equals B times my height is 6.5 right here. So draw my line. I divide each side by 6.5. And then in my calculator, when I do 52 divided by 6.5, I get that the height, or the base, is 8. So that means this has to be 8. If I want to double check my work, I can do 6.5 times 8, and I should get 52.